Hi, my name's Jake Urban, and I'm coming from the Jackson Hole Outdoor Leadership Institute. And this is a quick tip to help you live better in the backcountry. When you're packing your backpack, the primary goal is to keep it balanced. So whatever weight you put on one side, make sure you match it on the other. From a bottom-up approach, think about putting the things in the bottom of your pack that you're hopefully not going to use for the day. So today, I've got my first aid kit, I've got my tarp, and I've got my satellite communicator all the way at the bottom. Above that, think about putting the heavier things into the center of the pack. Also, keep them as close to your back as possible. This will keep the weight easier to manage, closer to you. And then ultimately, take some softer items that you want to have easy access to, put them on the top. Food, water, and then some layers as well. Take a course from us to learn some more.